So hello aspirants, welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I'm Dr. Malay, Pediatric Dentist and Assistant Professor in College of Dental Sciences. So aspirant, just recently we have got very insignificant news regarding the postponement of NEET MDS yet again. Many students are disheartened that why it is happening, but we cannot do anything. And whatever the information I am sharing, it is from the MOHFW website. That's the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay, yet we have not seen any update on the nba.edu.in or on the NET board website, but definitely they are going to make in a few moments. So aspirant, the date of NEET examination has been extended because of many petitions filed by student. Okay, so two important news I'm going to share you is that the date has been extended by 4 to 6 weeks. So yet no exact date has been mentioned, but we can predict it may go around May. Fine aspirant, and also the date for the compulsory rotating internship is changed to 31st July instead of 31st March. Fine aspirant, so please don't get disheartened. Okay, whatever the thing has come, please keep your learning and whatever you are doing, keep on doing in one of the best way. So right now this much information I have. Anything new I will get, we'll share on our website, on our YouTube channel, and also on the Instagram handle. Okay, so till then aspirant, take care. Any doubt you can message me. The information is there in the description box.